said I came with nothing in my hands. No spark, no sign, no hidden plan. I stood there quiet while they laughed, like I was born to stay and laugh.